On the surface, it looks like a quiet morning on the lake. But just beneath that calm, soldiers are training for one of the most critical missions in the military, getting an entire force across water.
We're the 401st Engineering Company. We are a multi-role bridging operation. So right now we're just training all of our new people and our NCOs who haven't gotten to do this in a really long time. And we basically make bridges that float on water. Anytime we need people to get from one side of the water to the next, we can create a raft, and that raft we can beach up, and vehicles, tanks, Humvees, etc. can drive up on there, and we can unbeach them with our boats and take them across. Or depending on if it's like a river, we can actually go from end to end building the bridge until it connects to the other side.
From a single crossing to moving an entire force, this capability scales fast.
You can do a build in between 5 and 10 minutes. I mean, it's pretty quick. Getting all this equipment that hits the water, they open up, and then we get our boats immediately in there. We have our crews, they're well trained at this point. It's just, step after step, muscle memory at that point. And so it's really cool to see how fast they can do basically this little Tetris act with the bridges. Get it in there, beach it, and when a plan comes together, I mean, moving them across.
And it's made possible through partnership with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers.
Working with the Corps of Engineers has been amazing. I mean, we're all part of the Engineer Regiment, and so when reservists that are in the Engineer Regiment get to work with full-time USACE personnel, it's great. Like, the USACE personnel has been amazing to work with. USACE has a whole bunch of resources like this park, this lake. Getting a reserve unit on there to basically train on it and partner with USACE has been fantastic.
For the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Fort Worth District, I'm Audrey Gossett.